This is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Welcome to Bangle Whisper. Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Today we're going to do a video on the benefits of bay leaves. So, bay leaves are used in all kinds of cultures in Asian, Indian, Greek, Italian, many other cultures use bay leaves. Bay leaves has been used for thousands of years for health and cooking purposes. Now, the cooking purposes bay leaf is used to enhance the health and also enhance the fragrance of the food. Now we use bay leaf to make many sweet dessert, and we use bay leaf to almost cook all the foods with, and we use bay leaf on all kinds of pulao and biryani, and we use bay leaf for cooking even non-veg items. Bay leaves has lot of health benefits which many people are not aware of. So when you cook, you have to put, for any kind of cooking, whether meat or vegetable, when you are doing any kind of meat or vegetable cooking or making fried rice or anything, in a pot you add little bit of oil, and then you add couple of bay leaves and little pinch of asafoetida, some cumin seed, the regular cumin, and so you can add some black cumin, the kalonji or the black seeds, and you can add some bay leaves, and then let it roast for a second or so until it gives a beautiful aroma but not burn. And then you're going to add your meat or vegetable or rice, whatever you're cooking. So while the cooking is getting done, the bay leaves, the fragrance, and all the good benefits gets into the food. And then before eating, just before serving the food, you just simply pull out the bay leaves and you can just throw it in your garden or throw it in the trash. But all the good benefits just comes out while you're cooking. Now, bay leaves are not eaten raw. These always have to be cooked to get the nutrition and the benefits out of it. So we use it in cooking, and also sometimes we make dessert out of many ingredients, even the coconut, or even the we call it suji. It's sort of like oatmeal, and so we put bay leaves into that. And if you cook oatmeal, you eat cooked oatmeal, then you can add bay leaves to it. Bay leaves can be eaten with any kind of preparation, whether it's sweet or sour or spicy or hot. And the best way to eat bay leaves, if you are not going to add in any of your food, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It gives beautiful fragrance and all the benefits. You can make a bay leaf tea every single day. So you use 1 or 2 cups of water, and to that you drop 1 or 2 bay leaves, and then to that you can add grated ginger, you can add cardamom powder, clove, and then you can add some star anise, and you can add some crushed black pepper, and then just boil it. And you do not need any tea bag, just boil that, the grated ginger and all this thing, boil it, and then just let it sit for 10 minutes, and throughout the day you heat up and drink that. And if you want to keep it more than a day, you can keep it at night time in the fridge, and then take out next day, and just again put more water and boil it and drinking. And this will give you a lot of benefits of the bay leaves, and all other spices benefit. I will do it after this. One of the biggest one is the star anise. This is just amazing, and it's equally beneficial as like turmeric. So this is how you're going to cook bay leaf, and this is how you're going to use it. Now the health benefits from bay leaves. Bay leaves truly helps you to stay healthy. Now get your doctor, nurse, or whoever's permission you need to before you start taking it. And back home in India, we use this thing from our childhood to death, and it's been used for all our cookings. We would not cook without this. So it helps you stay healthy. Bay leaves are full of antioxidants, so it helps your body heal with oxidative stress. Bay leaves have the properties of antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. Bay leaves are great for digestion. So if you have any digestive problems like you have gas, bloating, indigestion, then bay leaves sure is going to help you to go through that. If you have gas pain, bay leaves, after taking bay leaves, you will see it's easy to relieve gas, and you will not get any gas pain or bloating. So just cook with it, and before eating throw it away, and before you do that get your doctors and nurse and all the people's permission to do so. Now bay leaves are great for people who have celiac disease or any kind of stomach problem, like some people have all the time like diarrhea or loose motion, or like constipation, or some people feel like going again and again. So bay leaf helps with that. Bay leaves helps with the people with food sensitivity. The people have different kind of food allergies. Bay leaves help. Bay leaves regular. So cook your meat or soup with bay leaves, and then you get the benefit. Bay leaves regulates blood sugar. It is beneficial for diabetics because it regulates the blood sugar, keeps the blood sugar in check. It actually balances the insulin. So the people who has insulin resistance and cannot lose any weight because of insulin resistance, bay leaves kind of helps with that, and it reduces blood pressure, blood sugar, and the cholesterol, the bad one. Bay leaves provide greater benefits for people with insulin resistance because, as I told you, it helps regulate the blood sugar. Bay leaves are full of antioxidants, and bay leaves antioxidant properties are several fold greater than vitamin C and vitamin E. Bay leaves antimicrobial, antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral. Bay leaves helps to protect from cancer. Cancer is nothing but the cell growth in a irregular fashion, out of order, and bay leaves helps to keep that in the bay. Bay leaves keep that in check. We use bay leaves with all our cooking, and our cooking is not complete without bay leaves, cumin, black cumin, turmeric, garam masala, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon. So we use these things on a daily basis, and they all have tremendous health benefits. For thousands of years, all the people all over the world using these spices and getting their benefits. So, and bay leaves have many other benefits. Now you can do your own research about bay leaves. You can ask your doctor, and of course these are not old wives' tales like someone referred to it. No, they are not old wives' tales. You can do your own research. Internet is available and open for everybody. Anyone and everyone can do their research. Ask your doctors, go do research for things what people's been using for thousands of years. Just because you don't believe in it, simply do not call that to old wives' tales. So just use it and see the benefit for yourself, and get your doctor's permission before you do so, before you eat any kind of leaves, any kind of greens, any kind of fruits, any kind of vegetables. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe,